is up, guys? In today's video we are going to do a walk around of my 2006 Subaru WRX. First we got to move the lifted Forester. Okay everyone, this is my 2006 Subaru WRX TR. It's a little dirty right now. I haven't washed it for a while, but we are going to start with the cosmetics first. I bought this car about 4 years ago, bone stock, without any modifications. It was completely bone stock, nothing on it. So I think first thing I did is I got this lip. It's in pretty rough condition, and I think half of it's like hanging on yet. It was one that fit the car. I really liked it. Then I got the headlights. Those are aftermarket, pretty popular with the 2006 guys too, these WRXs. Since it's a TR, it came with the already blacked out the mirrors right there. I already had the red calipers. I guess you could say cosmetics would be the wheels. Those are Enki Rajins, those are Enki Kojins, I believe. Bought them a long time ago. I don't completely remember. Super dirty. Need to clean them up or clean those. This is the 2004 taillights. I had 2006 OEM taillights on it. Swapped them out for the 04s just because they're red. And I put a tint strip on it, which you guys can watch my video on how to do that. I'll put in the top right here, hopefully, if I can edit that in. I used to have mud flaps on it. Like I said, car's super dirty, so ignore that. Yeah, I used to have rally armor mud flaps on it, but then I took them off. It's because I didn't really like the looks of them. They were one of my first mods I ever did to it, like cosmetic mods, so I was like, thought it was cool at the time. Now I'm not a big fan of them, so took them off. Made it look more like a street car. Got the happy endings banner. I never knew what happy endings meant, like the slang term. I'm not going to explain it, so if you guys want to find out, look it up on your own. But basically, my dad helped me put it on. It was a terrible process of putting that thing on. It was really, really difficult because I ended up putting tint on the inside of my windshield too to match the same size as the banner. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. So it's super tricky. And once I found out what it actually meant, I just figured I'll just keep it on there. It was such a hassle putting it on. It'd just be stupid to take it off. So that's the story behind the banner. Put the wing on it. Got this off eBay too. I don't know. A lot of people like hate that WRX owners put STI wings on their car. I don't think it's a big deal, especially if my car's making more power than a stock STI. Why can't I put a wing on it if I like it? I honestly bought it just for the looks. I think they look the best on these cars. So yeah, I wrapped the middle here black because I never wrapped before. It's really dusty. So I just wanted to see how wrapping would be. It was kind of tricky, and I'll most likely end up taking this off. But for my first ever vinyl wrap job, I'd say it's not too bad. It's a little rough around the edges, but yeah, I'll probably take that off. I used to have a vortex generator on here too. I took that off because I planned on wrapping my whole roof black. Never got to it. I still might do that, but I don't know. And then these are all the little stickers around my car. Those ones. I think I'm honestly going to take off these rear stickers here. Probably keep the NVIDIA one on and the other one's over there. And then I just have a pairing license plate cover, and then in the front I have a happy endings license plate cover. So yeah, so that's all the mods exterior wise. So then we'll go into the inside of the car. I have these custom bride door cards. My grandma actually made these for me. I got some fabric, she cut it out and sewed it on there, so it sits really nice, flows really good. My car is a mess right now, so just ignore the garbage. I really need to clean this out. Probably should have done it before I made this video, but I'm going to college soon, so I just want to get this video out of the way. You can see over there, I got the WRX seatbelt pads. Might take those off as well just to de-race the car. I got the gauges. I have, they're not really cosmetics because I actually do look at them often. I have my oil pressure, water temp, and then boost gauge on those. You guys probably seen them in my POV videos, and you can kind of see what I was talking about, the tint right there. That's the tint shield on the inside of the car. Goes through, so when sun shines through the letters, it doesn't blind me. Got WeatherTech floor mats that are really dirty. I have the OEM seats. I plan on getting the actual bride Zeta graduation seats at some point, but they're very expensive, so that will be in the future. I have this Cobb sticker there. I might take that off as well. I got a bride shift boot. My girlfriend got me that for my birthday. And then I have the Billet Works WRX shift knob. So this is what the interior looks like. So now we'll look at our engine dress up stuff. I have the Perrin alternator cover. Again, this is very dirty. I haven't driven this thing much this summer, so I do need to clean it before I go to college. We'll get on to the motor. It is the WRX EJ. I have a lot done to it. I bought this one bearing. My dad and I built it. It's got forged internals, Ego rods, mainly pistons, King bearings, whole 9 yards, stock block, stock heads. It's got an air oil separated from Grimspeed. See that? Again, pretty dirty, but it's got the Cobb short ram air intake, stock top mount intercooler, stock bypass valve. Trying to think what else. I got the NVIDIA downpipe right there, Loud 16 GXT turbo, and it also has an NVIDIA N1 race exhaust, the cat back right there. Oh, I also forgot for cosmetics, I have a little diffuser there. Got that off eBay as well. Forgot to mention the NVIDIA downpipe is also catted, so it's not extremely loud. Honestly, I think the sound of my WRX is very good compared to some out there, but I think it's just the setup I'm running. Sounds really good. I also forgot to mention is a Grimspeed 3-port electronic boost controller, which was necessary when I took this thing to get it tuned. I got it tuned in Minneapolis, Minnesota at D&B Performance. Shane tuned it. It's amazing. Car runs good. I've had it tuned for the past 3 years, and it's ran great. No problems, knock on wood. But he did a great job on the tune. It's tuned on 91 on 20 pounds of boost, makes 300 wheel horsepower, so it's very reliable, yet it's a good enough power for me, especially at the age I was at when I got it tuned. Is a lot of power at that time. So yeah, handles amazingly. I have the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 Summers, so it handles amazingly. Can corner. The corner's really good, round curves. I also have the BC Racing coilovers. I have them set where it's low enough where it looks really good, but it's stiff enough too where I don't really rub. I rub a little bit in the rear, but I have a fender roller for that, so I just gotta get some energy, gotta get the motivation to roll those fenders, and then this thing will be just about near perfect to what I want it at. I mean, this was my dream car ever since I was really little. As soon as I got into cars, I always wanted one of these. Out of all my cars, it has the lowest miles. I'll probably keep this thing forever. I don't plan on ever getting rid of it. It's a car me and my dad built together. It's the first motor I've ever learned how to build. My dad taught me on it, so it's got a lot of sentimental value to me. It's one of my all-time dream cars, so yeah, this thing will probably never be leaving my possession, but you know, I might change some things up with it in the future, probably get some new seats, and yeah, I might even put some E85 on it in a couple years, I don't know. But we're going to take this on a little drive here so you guys can kind of see, from my point of view, what it's like driving this thing. Alrighty, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my walk around and driving of my WRX. So yeah, if you guys got any video ideas, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.